John Beck, and I'm from Bismarck. And that bicycle contraption is really called a teeter light inspection car. And it was built in, that particular model was built in 1920. And it was used in Colorado, at Johnstown, Colorado, by the depot agent down there. And he worked for the Great Western Railroad, and he had a yard about 2 miles away from Johnstown to take care of, and he had to go down there twice a week. So he bought this thing because his railroad wouldn't buy it for him. So he bought this used in 1940. He already was 20 years old. And then when he retired in the late 40s, he took it home, and then he donated it to the Colorado Railroad Museum. And it was there until the mid-1990s when I did some trading with them and got it. And it was totally unrestored. It was all rusted up, and most of the tubing was bent and collapsed on it. But it's back in shape now and works good. And there's about maybe a dozen or so that exist yet. The company that built it built those for 80-some years.
Oh.
They were building them until the mid-1960s.
Really?
Yeah.
They actually used a pedal thing like that long on the rail?
Yeah. Well, it was a handy thing for somebody in a yard to go down a mile or a half mile and throw a switch or something, come back. You know.